Hello guys, I just picked up this Pioneer mini split system and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install it. It comes with everything you need to finish the installation. The first indoor unit I'm gonna put in this corner, in this room, and the second one will be right in the middle in this bedroom. I spent about 2100 on this mini split system. I'm gonna start installing two indoor units. Each indoor unit comes with remote control and a holder for it. Select the location and use recommended clearances on each side of the unit. Unscrew the wall mounting plate from the indoor unit. Different models have different mounting plates. Refer to your installation instructions to find your model. Now take your time and mark recommended distances from walls and the ceiling. I recommend you to find studs that can support the weight of the unit. I'm using this drywall anchor for one of the locations where I don't have a stud. I'm gonna put links for all products I use in the description of this video. Install wall mounting plate. To obtain perfect horizontal position, use a level. I'm gonna be drilling holes in the brick and in the wooden siding. Hole can be drilled on either left or right side of the indoor unit. I'm gonna be drilling a hole on the right side of the unit. Make sure that the hole is drilled at a slight downward angle so that the outdoor end of the hole is lower than the indoor end by about 5 to 7 millimeters. This will ensure proper water drainage. Assemble the protective sleeve and place the protective sleeve in the hole. This protects the edges of the hole and will help seal it when you finish the installation process. Unscrew the wire cover. Unscrew cable clamp. The wiring diagram is located on the inside of the indoor unit's front panel or under the cover you just removed. Attach 4 leads of the signal wire to the 4 terminal positions marked as 1, 2, 3, G, where the G is ground. Note the color of the wire used for each terminal to connect same wire to the same position at other end. Don't forget to install a wire clamp. Install a wire cover. Slowly and with even pressure, bend the piping towards the hole. Do not kink or damage the piping during the process. Cut the excess of the protective sleeve. This is not the final install, and this is why I did not wrap piping and cables. If you're ready to connect your indoor unit to outdoor unit, before passing the piping, drain hose and the signal cable through the wall hole, you must bundle them together to save space. Protect them by sealing the ends and insulate them. I just cut a hole in a brick, and again, this is not the final installation, and this is why I did not wrap piping and cables. Now it's time to unpack our outdoor unit. In the part 2, I'm gonna show you how to finish the installation of this mini split system. I already made a concrete pad. I'm gonna put a link for this video in the description below. So this is it for today. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.